Yeah, good morning, folks. What we're gonna have here right now is lemon peppered honey fried chicken. Right here we have the chicken already seasoned, clean, washed in vinegar and lime. It's already clean. Add it to a bowl. And first we're gonna add Jamaican Highland spice to give it a color, the yellow color, fine yellow color. Yeah. Then we're gonna add good old black pepper. Yeah. And regular salt. All right. Okay. Then we're gonna have the good old all-purpose seasoning, Maggi. All right. And we're gonna incorporate this, right? Because we want the seasoning to go in every nook and every cranny of this chicken. All right. Yes. Yeah. With this now, we're gonna add one egg. So, as my mom used to say, with a egg, give it a good crunchy taste to the mouth. All right. So, and then we're gonna have the pepper, real pepper, Rapture. That's why it's called honey lemon peppered fried chicken. Give it a good touch of the Rapture because Rapture is very, very. This is the hottest pepper around. Look at it, folks. Rapture. We're gonna incorporate this. Yes. Wow, I can smell the Rapture. Don't be caught up when the Rapture comes, man. Don't be caught up. And then I'm gonna put this in prepared flour and cornstarch. So 2 parts of flour to 1 part of cornstarch with a little bit more black pepper. I'm gonna just dredge this in it. Yeah. Turn it a couple times. My oil is over there on the stove, getting all hot. Yeah.